Don't throw away your broken broom. Watch this, and you'll thank me later. This method is simple and super handy. You'll be ready to save both time and money on tools you already have at home. Grab an empty plastic soda bottle. Any standard size will do. Using a knife or small saw, carefully cut off the neck of the bottle, just below the mouth, where the cap is screwed on. Take your time here, making sure the cut is as smooth as possible. Next, grab the broken handle of your broom. If it has any splinters or rough edges, smooth them down with sandpaper or a knife so that it's nice and even. Now, take the bottleneck you just cut and slide it onto the handle, mouth side facing outward. Secure the bottleneck to the handle with 2 screws, one on each side, making sure they're tight so the bottleneck won't wobble. This will make your broom handle strong and secure. While we're working, let me know where you're tuning in from. I love knowing who's watching and from where, so drop your city below and I might just give you a shout out in my next video. Today's shout out goes to Rachel from Arizona. Thanks for watching. Now, grab the brush base of your broom, the part where the handle used to attach, and cut off the broken connector so that it's level and flat. This way, it'll be ready for the next part. Take the plastic bottle cap and place it where you just cut the broom base. Attach the cap securely using 2 screws. This will create a strong, lasting bond between the handle and the base. Twist the modified broom handle into the cap, just like you would with a new broom. Imagine this. You're in the middle of cleaning, your floor is covered in dust, and then, snap, your broom handle breaks. Frustrating, right? Especially when it seems like these things happen at the worst times. Well, not anymore. With this easy fix, your broken broom becomes as good as new, sweeping just like it did before and saving you the expense of a replacement.